Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to find and replace one document in the MongoDB collection as a compound operation using Go application. I am going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for adding my code. First I am going to start with the Go mod in it. Now I am going to add the dependencies. All the Mongo driver dependencies have been added. Now let's add the go.env. We have added all the dependencies now. Now I'm going to create a .env file where I'm going to add the connection string. I'm going to call the environment variable as mongodb_uri, and this is where we are going to add the connection string. I have logged into my MongoDB account. Click connect. So we are going to connect from an application, so click drivers. Already the Go driver is selected and already we have installed the driver also. So copy the connection string, place the connection string here. We need to replace this password with the actual password. I have updated the password and saved the file. Now I am going to add my application code. So I'm just going to call it as findreplace.go. Package main. I'm going to import all the dependencies now. Context. Log format .com/joho go.env. Okay, go.mongodb.yj mongo driver/mongo. I'm just going to copy this, paste it here. So I'm going to add options here, and this I'm going to change it to this one. Okay, I have added all the dependencies. So what we are going to do is we are going to find and replace a document in the students collection which is part of the university database. Okay, so first I'm going to create a student structure. Struct. Okay, student ID which is int. Okay, then the name string, age int, age, then gender string based on gender, grade string based on grade. Okay, then it's going to be the marks which is going to be a map string int, and then based on marks. Okay, so the structure ready now. So now I am going to create my function main. Okay, first we are going to load the .env file. Go.env.load. Okay, error not equal to null. We are going to print that log.println. we are going to say no .env file found. Okay, then URI was .getEnv. We need to provide the environment variable name which is mongodb_uri. Okay, then we are going to check whether the URI is empty. Okay, then we are going to say log.fatal, and then we are going to give the message environment variable MongoDB underscore URI has to be set. Okay, this is fine. Now we are going to get the client. Okay, mongo dot connect. We need to pass the context. Okay, and then options client. We need to get the apply URI, pass the URI. Okay, so if error not equal to nil, we are going to panic. Okay, and we are going to add a defer function. Okay, so here we are going to do the disconnect, client dot disconnect to pass the context, and then error not equal to nil, again we are going to panic. Okay, so this is all good. Okay, so what we are going to do is find and replace. So first we need to have a filter for finding it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter based on a student ID, which is going to be 139. Okay, this is my filter. Now I'm going to add my replacement doc. Okay, which is going to be a student. Okay, so student ID is going to be again 139 because we are just going to do a replacement. Then the name I'm going to give Himala. Okay, and then the age I'm going to give us 20. Okay, then the gender it's going to be female. Okay, and the grade is going to be A. Okay, then we are going to give the marks, which is going to be again a map string int. Okay, so we'll give it as ENG. Okay, value is 89, comma lang is 89. Okay, and the max marks is going to be 100. Okay, all good. Okay, so now we have the replacement document is also ready. Save the changes. Okay, so now we are going to find and replace the document in the students collection, which is part of the university DB. Okay, so let's get the database as university, and the collection is going to be students. Okay, so I wanted to print the replaced document at the end. Okay, so I'm going to add the options. Okay, options dot find one and replace. Okay, so here we are going to set the return document, set return document. So I'm going to give it as options dot after. That is, I want the updated document to be printed, so that's why I'm saying set return document is options dot after. Okay, now it's all good. So, and we are going to, because we wanted to get it printed in the proper student structure, so I'm creating a student variable. Okay, good. Okay, so now we are going to do the find one and replace. Okay, find one and replace. So for that, first we need to pass the context, then the filter, then the replacement doc, then the option. Okay, and then we are going to do the decode. Okay, and to this we are passing the student. Okay, so this is all good. Okay, so if error not equal to nil, we are going to panic. Okay, and then okay, now we will print the result in the BSON format. Okay, result. Okay, So we are going to do bson dot Marshall then bson. Okay, so we need to do the student and then we'll give false. Okay, all good. So now we are going to print the result, println, and since it will be in the JSON format, so we are going to do string and then response. Okay, it's all good. I'm going to save the changes. So go, run, find and replace. So we could see the program got executed successfully and we are able to see the updated document as a result. The find and replace is a combined operation. MongoDB will place a lock on the document and it ensures both the find and replace is done together. In this demo, we have seen how to connect to a MongoDB Atlas cluster from a Go application and then find and replace one document in a collection. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.